Hi, it's Les, and in this video we're going to talk about the best YouTube strategy to make money with affiliate marketing. In this video, guys, I'm going to take you through what I believe to be the best strategy to make money selling affiliate products on YouTube. Now, if this is the first time on my channel, consider liking and subscribing to my channel so I can send you more videos like this when they're ready. Now, the other thing is watch through to the end, guys, because I've got a bonus for you that I want to give you totally free today. Okay, so let's dive into the strategy. Now, when you're promoting affiliate products on YouTube, the first big mistake I see people making is going directly for the kill. And I mean, this is pretty immature marketing. You know, years ago, maybe you could just put a link up there and people would click on it and buy a product. But generally speaking, these days, that just doesn't happen. And you can't blame, you know, your YouTube audience and your subscribers for that. Because if they're going to invest in something you recommend as an affiliate product, they want to make sure they're going to get value out of that. So rather than you know, going straight for the kill, you know, putting a video up, putting a link to the affiliate product and hoping people are going to go there and you know, just buy that thing, the way to go about it is to offer some value up front. You know, show you're a genuine person. People want to get to know, like, and trust you. So don't go in for the kill immediately. You know, show you're a real person. That's what I try to do in my videos. I'm just a normal guy like you guys. Okay, I'm making money on YouTube with affiliate products. That's what I want to help you guys do as well. But you know, I'm genuinely offering value. I show that through my YouTube videos. I show it through my website. I'm generally offering value and valuable advice to help you guys. So my first piece of advice is don't be impatient. Take your time, work with the people. You know, show that you're there to deliver value, and you know, only promote products that you really believe in. And people can see when you believe in a product or when you're just promoting it, trying to make a commission. I never just promote products for the sake of make a commission. Okay, I do make affiliate commissions, but everything I promote has always got value for my audience. And it's, generally speaking, it's something I use myself in any case. So that's the first piece of advice. You know, don't be that marketer that just throws up a link and hopes for the best. Number one, it's not going to work. Number two, you're not being fair on your audience. And number three, you're going to be wasting your time because, quite frankly, you ain't going to make any sales at the end of the day. And if you're promoting affiliate products, obviously the name of the game is to make sales while helping other people to achieve something or solve a problem that they're facing online. Now, the next thing I suggest you think about in your YouTube strategy for affiliate marketing is building an email list. And it's incredibly important to capture email addresses as you go along and build yourself an email list that you can market to as and when you choose. Now, the simplest way to do that, I'm not going to go into the whole mechanics of it in this video, but the simplest way to do that is through a very basic funnel that, you know, the first step in the funnel is that it captures the email address of a potential client. So capture email addresses, build a list, start it from day one, don't be lazy about it, because you know, I know a lot of marketers who've never built an email list, and a couple of years down the road they realise how important it is, and they've got to start, you know, then, and they've wasted maybe a couple of years. I know guys who waited 2 or 3 years before they started building an email list, and then they realise what a mistake they've made. So again, this is part of being a mature marketer. Don't wait to build an email list. Start building it from day one. Basic funnel, capture email addresses, deliver value to those emails on a regular basis, and you'll be setting yourself up for success as an affiliate marketer on YouTube. So the next thing I recommend you do, guys, is to engage with your comments on your YouTube channel. Now, I look at it this way: if somebody takes the time to put a comment on one of my videos, I think it's totally disingenuous if you don't take the time to give them a decent reply to that comment. I've seen some of, yeah, okay, admittedly, the bigger YouTubers saying to just totally ignore comments. Now, I don't believe in that. I think that's the wrong thing to do. If somebody takes the time to comment on your channel, it's only fair that you go back to them and you give them a decent comment in return. Now, obviously, that doesn't apply to spam comments. You're going to get spam comments, people trying to promote their own stuff. You know, you often see that when you first put a video up and you get that immediate comment, from someone who's obviously spamming. All you do is just report that comment, say it's spam, report it to YouTube, and hopefully they'll get taken down. But you know, the genuine comments where people are looking for your help, because at the end of the day you're there to help them solve a problem or give them advice, as I do on my channel. It's only fair that if they take the time to put a comment up, that you take the time to give it a decent response. And your audience will appreciate that. They'll see that you're genuine. They'll get to know, like, and trust you, which is the most important thing. And believe me, guys, if you take the time to do this and you do it properly, you know, not just you know, a little one-liner or 1 or 2 words, give them a proper feedback if it's appropriate. People will appreciate that, and your sales as an affiliate on YouTube will increase because of it. And trust me on that one, guys, because I've seen it happen. But in any case, I think it's the right thing to do to reply to comments. And I personally reply to all of my comments on my YouTube channel, and you know, I would suggest you guys do the same. Now, another part of your strategy I suggest you employ with your YouTube channel is to keep control of everything you're doing. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, in my case, I keep a spreadsheet, because once you start getting a few videos up there, which you will do after time, you need to know where you are with each and every video. Whether you need to go back to a video to do something you haven't already done, or you just want to keep track of stats and things of that nature. Now, I found the best way to do that is just a simple Excel spreadsheet. You'll want the name of the video, the title of the video, the keyword that you're trying to rank for in your video, the day you put it up, all these kind of things on a row on a spreadsheet, so that at any point in time you know exactly where you are with your YouTube business. Because at the end of the day, if you're trying to promote affiliate products on YouTube, it's a business, and my suggestion is that you treat it that way. And you know, you can't run any business without having some kind of control in place. So get yourself an Excel spreadsheet, get the columns on there that you need, and every time you upload a video, make sure you fill that spreadsheet in to keep track of everything that's going on in your YouTube business. Okay guys, the final thing I want to mention in this video is that if you're running your YouTube channel as a business, which if you're promoting affiliate products you should be doing, you're going to have to invest a little bit of money in some tools to help you run your business properly and control it. Now, obviously the Excel spreadsheet I mentioned previously, that doesn't cost anything. You know, if you've got Office on your computer, an Excel spreadsheet is not a problem. So as I say, guys, there are a number of tools you'd want to invest in to get the best out of your YouTube channel and get the return on it that you deserve. So, you know, people who are trying to skimp all the time and not spend any money, I mean, what business can you start off without a little bit of investment up front? So don't be scared to put a couple of bob in, put a couple of dollars in, get the tools you need to make your business run smoothly, to help you control it, and to get the best return on your investment of time. Because at the end of the day, that's one thing that can't be replaced, is your time. If you're going to be spending a lot of time on your YouTube channel, which you are, I know this from experience, don't skimp on the things that are going to help you make the most of that time and get the maximum return on your investment. Now, in just a second, guys, I'm going to tell you about the free resource I promised you at the start of the video. Now, just before I do that, if you enjoyed the video, guys, if it gave you value and you enjoyed the content and it helped you, give it a thumbs up, and why not consider subscribing and hit the bell notification so you get more help and advice from me when I make videos like this in the future. Now, the free resource I mentioned, guys, is actually a video upload checklist. And this is a checklist of everything you need to do when you upload a video to YouTube. This is going to help your video get seen quickly by YouTube. It's going to get views on your video, it's going to get rankings, and it's going to help you with getting your video noticed and picked up by YouTube. In fact, the checklist will tell you what to do within 4 hours, it'll tell you what to do within 24 hours, and it will tell you what to do within a week of putting your video live on YouTube. So all great stuff, all free of charge. And what I'll do is I'll put a link on the screen now. You should be seeing a link. Go to that link. You'll get your video upload checklist for absolutely free. And I'll also point you to another resource, which is the course I took when I first got started on YouTube. And maybe that's something that can help you guys as well. So in the spirit of trying to help you guys as much as I can, I'll give you a free video upload checklist, as I say, with all the detail you need to look at each time you upload a video. Very, very useful indeed. And I'll point you to another resource that I used to get my YouTube channel up and running and build it to the point where it is now. Okay, that's it, guys, for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Keep your eyes open. I'll be making more videos like this to help you in the future, and hopefully we'll talk again soon. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.